Hello everyone, my name is Nihal Saheer and I am from Kuwait. Today, I will be speaking on the topic artificial intelligence, a field that is growing exponentially these days. Well, first, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. Now, it's already being used in many fields, such as in video games, hospitals, etc. The benefits are at plenty. It reduces the wastage of time, and by that, as humans can be engaged in some other hobbies. It remembers the things that a human should remember. By that, it reduces the stress of remembering more things for a human mind. Let us investigate some of the main characteristics an AI computer will require to resemble a human being. First, speech recognition. Every human being communicates to each other using languages. AI has accomplished on how to make a computer understand these words and reply to them in a normal like way. There are many live examples in today's world that we are aware of and have used in some point of our lives. Some of these are Siri, Cortana, Amazon Echo, etc. Next is vision. Humans react first when they can see the predicament to react with their body. AI now can also react to their surroundings and use the machine's vision and react accordingly. An apt example is the Honda Mini robot. It can walk and react when a predicament occurs, such as when an object falls at him. He reacts and tries to dodge it. And lastly is pattern recognition. Humans can see patterns like grouping of objects or people. AI is more advanced in this field because they can use more data and dimensions of data. Artificial intelligence has succeeded so much on imitating humans that in the year 2120, robots would be like a friend to humans. Imagine this. You get tired from working so hard and for a long period, and you go home. Your roommate, who is a robot, welcomes you and proposes the idea to make some tea. It goes to the fridge, looks at the fridge for some time, and then frowns. It says that there is no milk for making the tea. The robot is showing us that a program failed and he was expressing it, not in the way a computer says error 404, but instead it expresses the problem in the most human like way. That is what strives us to improve the race of computers so that we can have comfort and luxury. If we can replicate the structures and the function of the human brain, we might be able to get mental capabilities in machines. This is the field of neural networks. If these networks are more complex and more in depth, and we use those to learn more complicated things, that is the field of learning. There are different types of education in the daily life of a human being that a computer can picture and work out correctly to begin replicating human behavior. Humans can remember the past as what you had for dinner last night. Well, at least most of us do. We can get a neural network to recognize a limited to get this replicated in more in artificial intelligence. Further development is required. As you can see, that there are two ways artificial intelligence works. One is symbolic based and another one is data based. For the database, it's called machine learning, as we need to feed the machine lots of data before it can learn the information. For example, if you had lots of data for sales versus advertising, you can plot that data to see some patterns. If the machine can learn these patterns, then it can make predictions based on what it has learned. While one or two or even three dimensions is natural for humans to understand and learn, machines can learn in many more aspects, like even hundreds or thousands of dimensions. That is why devices look at high dimensional data than a human mind. Once the artificial intelligence learn these patterns, it can make predictions that humans cannot even come close to. We can use the machines to think of possibilities that even us humans could not think of. Even in the area of games like chess or Sudoku, to conclude, us humans are way far behind in getting computers to imitate humans and help us with the daily chores. That does not mean that we won't get there. Sure, we are way far back, but that won't stop us from pushing forward. Mankind will create advanced AI. It is within our grasp. It is already almost in the development stage in countries like China, Japan, USA, etc. All we youngsters need to do is to study the mechanics and carry on this dream and make it a reality. I truly believe we can make robots into a companion that will always be by our side. This is my take at, at artificial intelligence. Hope I was able to shed some in depth light and spark some interest on this subject matter. Thank you and stay safe. This is Nihal Zahir from Class 8 of Learners on Academy in Kuwait. Thank you.